Hey, what's up guys, this is Manchu and I'm back with another G7 custom ROM, and in this I'm going to show you the Advance 8, that is the A7 stock ROM ported for a G7 2015, and it is currently running on the Samsung Experience 8.5 with VoLTE support and some new features like you can also use a navigation keys which is auto hideable. So don't you think how cool is that? So let's see what are the new features, and without any further ado, let's get started. So to download this ROM, I have provided the links in the description, make sure you check that out. So it is currently running on the latest Android Nougat, which is 7.1.1, and it is currently running on the latest security patch, that is the 1 January 2018, and we are not using any custom kernel like the Afterburner. We have the latest Sign OS X kernel which is used, and it is still on the 1.5 GHz. If you want to overclock it to 1.7, you can use the Afterburner kernel. You can check out the videos. I have provided the links in the description for that. So here you can see that the app opening speed and the animation is really cool. Even I have not set it to 0.5 the animation speed, but it is still faster. Even after opening multiple applications, I can use anything easy. So let's see how much RAM we have free out of 1.5 GB. So here in memory you can see that we are getting almost around 351 MB free even after opening all much applications out of 1.5 GB, which is good for this, and it is currently in the initial stage, so you will get some bugs. Let me know in the comment section if you will find any. We are not getting any lag in this. So let me show you the navigation bar. We have the same Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, portrait, torch, location, and this the UHQ upscaler, mobile hotspot, and we also have this VoLTE support here and synchronization and the smart view to connect it via Google Chromecast. So what's new in this? The new in this is this navigation bar. To turn this off, what you have to do is just go into your display section and here just slide down and you will get this navigation bar. You can also customize your status bar if you want from here, and in navigation bar you can just hide this button. If you want it to be display or not, it will automatically help you to hide or unhide the navigation bar automatically whenever you open any application. So I have just turned it off. Turn it on, or you can just open any application and after that you will get this dot and double tap and it will automatically help you to hide the navigation bar. And if you want to get the navigation bar again, just slide up like this from this battery charging port like this and you will automatically get it here. You will not get this in any application. You can disable it manually, and if you want to re-enable it, just slide it up like this and double tap and it will automatically gets turned on. So this ROM is currently rooted with this latest Magisk Manager, that is a version 16, and installed version is 16.1, and also we have the latest Samsung Experience out of the box. We are getting the 8.5 with the Android version 7.1, which is really making this ROM faster. Here you can see that I'm not getting any lag while opening any application. Even the gallery is really opening fine. Even the camera application, I haven't opened the camera application yet, but it is really working perfectly fine. I'm not getting any lag even opening multiple applications. So in performance is good. I haven't tested the battery yet. Let me know in the comment section if you have tested it and if you have already tried the ROM. And if you want to try any other Android 7.1.1 custom ROM for your G7, you can just go in this card here. You will find some other custom ROMs which I have uploaded on my channel. And if you have any other queries related to G7 or any other related to Android, you can just contact me on my Instagram, on my Facebook profile. I have provided the links in the description. So guys, that was a quick overview and some of the new features of this Advance 8 custom ROM for a G7 2015. It is still in the initial stage, so maybe you find some bugs. Let me know in the comment section if you find any bug, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit this video a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm keep going to upload videos like this. And as always, I'll see you next video. Thank you. Peace out.